Today's video will teach you how to disable unwanted startup programs in Windows 7. Though this video is being recorded on a computer running Windows 7, but the users of Windows 8 and Windows 10 can follow given instructions to delete startup programs as well. Before you watch remaining part of this tutorial, keep in mind, this video only helps you disable a startup item, which a third-party program makes run on startup. This video is not about disabling Windows services. Not all, but many programs set a startup item after installation. This startup item opens or runs installed programs whenever you turn on your computer. A few important startup programs do not make any noticeable difference to Windows boot time, but multiple and heavy programs could cause slow Windows boot time. In addition to other factors, you can improve and speed up Windows boot time by cleaning out unnecessary and heavy programs that launch at startup. Windows 7 and other Windows editions have a built-in utility, which can be used to disable or remove unnecessary and heavy startup programs. To open this utility, go to Start menu and search for msconfig. Click on msconfig to open. Click on Startup tab. You can now disable single or multiple startup entries. Uncheck to disable your desired startup programs. You can disable all programs at once by clicking Disable All. After program selection, click Apply to disable selected programs. Keep in mind, this utility does not uninstall programs. You can still manually open programs. In addition to built-in utility, to remove startup program, you can also use CCleaner, with which nearly every Windows user is familiar. CCleaner can be downloaded from softsuggester.com, if you have not yet installed it. Team Simple Tutorials hope you find today's video useful and informative. Please do let us know by using the comments section if we could not explain anything properly, or you run into any problem. We will try our best to help you solve your problem. The comments section can also be used for precious suggestions, questions and feedback.
Please visit softsuggester.com to get download links and more info. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Simple Tutorials to help us make more useful videos. Please ring the bell button to get the latest updates.